Hello, my name is Robert Keller. I am the owner of the company which finishes and renovates buildings. I know that professional construction work requires both the right working technique and best products. Watch our short video that will help you to work fast and efficiently. In the past few years, natural stones have become increasingly popular as wall and floor coverings. When laying this material, there are two tricky factors to watch out for. One is the danger of moisture penetration. The other is choosing too dark color of the mortar bed. To avoid problems, stick to a few rules. Always use products dedicated to natural stones. Choose the mortar bed of the lighter color, as a dark one may change the natural shade of the stone. It is especially important when you're using light-colored stone. With very delicate stones, it is worth to perform a quick test to check if the mortar or the grout does not cause the stone's discoloration. Finally, use special products for permanent elastic sealing of expansion joints. Preparation. Make sure that all substrates are level, dry and free from dirt and dust. To strengthen the surface and reduce the absorbency of the substrate, apply a suitable primer. Tiling. For tiling natural stones, use a mortar specifically designed for this purpose. With very delicate stones, do a trial application before to check the suitability of the products. When preparing the mortar, leave it to mature for approximately 5 minutes and then stir again. Mark the area where the bottom row of your tiles will be installed. This row will be done later, after the tiles on the floor are fixed. Apply marble mortar on the wall using a suitable notched trowel. Place the tiles, pressing them carefully into the mortar. The mortar coverage, in other words, the contact area at the back of the tile, must be at least 65%. Always start from the bottom of your tiling area, working your way up the wall. Keep an equal distance between tiles and make sure they are level. For fixing natural stone tiles on your floor, apply the mortar with a suitable notched trowel. And then place the tiles, pressing them into the mortar. Check the tiles with a spirit level to make sure they are laid evenly. When the adhesive has dried and the tiled floor is ready to step on, apply the missing tiles on the bottom row of the wall. Grouting. When the tile adhesive is sufficiently set and the joints have been cleared of any remaining bits of mortar, you may start grouting. Choose the flexible grout Ceresit CE40 Aquastatic, which is suitable for grouting natural stone tiles. Remember to use the correct mixing ratio with water as defined on the packaging and observe a 3-minute maturing time during mixing. Completely fill the joints. After the grout has started to set, which can be tested with a finger, emulsify the tiles and clean the area by wiping it with a sponge and little water in circular movements. The second cleaning is best done with diagonal movements and clean water. Then move to the floor. After the second cleaning, let the grout dry completely. For aftercare cleaning, recommended chemical agents can be used after 7 days. Enjoy your natural stone tiles. They look perfect. It is worth doing the job as if I was doing it for myself. Prime the surface. Fix the tiles. Grout the joints.